Good morning, student. Hi, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So today, what are we going to learn? Do you have fights at home with your brothers and sister? Yes, think. Yes, you're right. This is poem number 3, are the quarrel. Poem number 3, the quarrel. And what is the poet name? The poet name is Eleanor Fajado. So let us have a look at the poem. Fine. So now today's topic is our poem number 3. The name of the poem is The Quarrel from our honeysuckle book, The Quarrel. And the author and the poet of this poem is Eleanor Farjeon. What is the name? Eleanor Farjeon is the poet of this particular poem. Do remember that you have to learn this name by heart with correct spelling. Okay? Moving to the poem, let us read the poem. The Quarrel, Eleanor Farjeon. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along. We can go all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Read the poem twice or thrice, learn it thoroughly. Now, what is the poem summary? Let us have a quick look on the summary of the poem. This poem is written by Eleanor Farjeon. Eleanor Farjeon. And what is the poem is about? The poet quarreled with her brother. She is not sure what the reason of the quarrel was about. From one thing to another, the quarrel started, and the quarrel to the utmost, and they quarreled to the utmost. They fight and fought, and the fight. When the quarrel started, it was slight, but when it ended, it was very violent and strong. According to the poet, her brother demanded himself to be right, but she knew that he was wrong. The reason was very petty. On which the fight has started now, the reason was very small. But when we fight with someone, our angriness, our agitation makes it bigger and bigger. They shouted at each other. Both claimed that they are right. They began to hate each other. This is a very bad thing. We as brother and sister should not hate each other at any point of time, right? They did not talk to each other till evening. So in the morning the quarrel started, until evening it was not sorted out. Then suddenly the brother realized his mistake. He decided to make up with narrator. He walked up to her and patted her on her back. He suggested that they should patch up. He admitted that he was at fault. The narrator also forgot and forgave him. So what is the main message about this poem? The poem is giving, we all have opinions. You might have something else in your mind, I might have something else in my mind, and every time these opinions does not match with each other, thus leading to conflict. These conflicts are quarrel only. But we have different natures with each other. So we should not quarrel with each other on such a petty things. We quarrel with each other, but it is how far we take that conflict. It depends on us that how far do we take that small conflict, which is the most important thing, students. We should remember that inside all these arguments is that a paradox of human nature. So everyone has a different nature. You have a different nature. I have a different nature, and might be your father, your mother, your sister or your younger brother they have a different nature. So nature does not match with each other. So as opinions, we might have different opinion at some point of time, but we should not fight on those petty things. We change our opinion as time goes by. Moving to the textual exercises. With your partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. And somehow, the answer to this is fell out. The afternoon turned black. What is the meaning of fell out? Quarreled. Then what is the meaning of turn black? The meaning of turn black is was spoiled due to bad mood. Question number 2. Read these lines from the poem. One thing led to another. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. The afternoon turned black. Thumped me on the back. Now discuss with your partner what these lines means. One thing led to another. The answer to this is during the argument, one thing led to another. The start of it was slight. The start of it means quarrel was pretty small. The end of it was strong. The end of quarrel was bitter and the effect of that quarrel was long lasting. The afternoon turned black. The quarrel always spoils the mood of quarreling person. 5th, thump me on the back. Thump means when somebody pat on your back. So patted on the back in a friendly manner, not hitting. Remember, patting in a friendly manner. Patted on the back in a friendly manner. For further reference, download Diksha and Extra Marks app. Do watch this video. Thank you for watching, students.